everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to be testing out a load of strawberry products from Revolution. I really loved the peach collection and I just wanted to test out some of the strawberry collection. Now I did watch a live with Revolution the other day and Adam Minto, who is the CEO of Revolution, and he's got a few more collections coming up and I can't wait for it. So I thought in aid of that I'm gonna do a strawberry look, and these are majority strawberry items from Revolution, and if there wasn't, I just quickly used something else, but majority of this, the main parts like the highlighter, blush, eyeshadow, lips, is all the strawberry range. So if you want to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. In this strawberry video I am going to start off with the Strawberry Sprinkles Donut palette, just because I could have chosen the strawberry cheesecake chocolate heart palette, but I've used that already and I haven't used this little guy, so I thought this would be the perfect time to try this out. And there's not much colours in here, so it could be quite an easy look, and for any of you guys that have these donuts in your collection that probably haven't used them like I haven't, this would be an amazing time to pull it out and try it. So I'm going to start off with the lightest shade in my palette. For my transition shade I'm using a Jessup 228 Luxe brush, because these brushes have been going around like there's no tomorrow, and these brushes are really good. Then I'm going to take this lovely burgundy shade just below it. Is a really, wow, there's a lot of fallout from it. Let me just tap off the excess. I don't want to go too high with this. It's blended out perfectly. I'm using the P. Louise base in Rumour O, I think it's just O. I'm going to blend out that burgundy shade because I've lost a bit of my transition shade, so we're just going to take a very small brush for that. Well, as small as I can find. This is a Nancy blending brush and we're just going to blend out the edges. This palette is amazing. I was meant to be filming with this, the Revolution CC cream, however, well, perfecting foundation, I forgot to buy the powder, so I hopped onto Revolution, bought the powder, also bought myself some lipsticks because there's a 3 for 2 going, and I'll wait a week for that to come and this will be another week late. But I am excited to try it, so it is in my new in drawer. And if you guys ever want me to do like a monthly new in drawer, let me know, but it's not stuff I get from PR, this is stuff that I buy myself. So if you ever want to see that, just let me know. And it is stuff that I actually want to haul, so you will get to see the stuff in a monthly drugstore haul, but just at the end of the month after. But I could at the beginning of the month do a new in, and then you guys can choose what I play with. Let me just put a bit more of the darker shade because I feel like my right eye is just a little bit too dark compared to this one, so let's deepen it up. I'm going to go in with this shade here on like the outer edge, and then I'm going to take the lighter shade on the inner, and then for the actual inner corner I'm going to go with this for the brow bone and for the inner corner, and let's just see how that looks. I am using like an MSQ brush that you see me use in a lot of my videos. This is one of the flat shader brushes. They don't have any names on them, so if you want to, they come in a set for £7, so if you really feel like you like these brushes, go on Amazon, they're £7 and they are amazing. I feel like this monthly drugstore haul is literally going to be a lot of Revolution. Right, let's try it dry. This is the first shade. And then we're just going to blend out the edges. Must admit, trying that dry, it goes on better when you wet your brush, but it's a little bit harder to play with dry, but you get the same result in the end, so it is quite a nice shimmer shade. So I'm just going to do the same on the other eye. I'm going to do some wing liner, and then we have something else to test that's strawberry. Let's do the inner corner and take that highlighty shade in the middle for that. It's got like a pink shift to it. So the next thing in my strawberry testing range is this Strawberry Whip Pore Blurring Primer with vitamin C and E. So it says it is cruelty free. Let's do a smell test. Oh, I'm getting a whiff of strawberries. This thick like texture. So I'm just going to warm it up in my hands. I'm going to take a little bit more. I'm getting a whiff of strawberry. I'm just not sure. Yeah, no, it is scented. It's not tacky, and I do like, it's a little bit tacky, but not as tacky as some primers. It's more like smoothing, like my skin feels really smooth, but when that happens it just means that my foundation might slip around. But we'll see how the foundation goes on. I'm going to use my trusty old Revolution Conceal and Define, and see how that glides on over. I have got a mirror over here that I'm just looking into. So far it is blending out lovely on top of this primer. I haven't got a negative thing to say just yet, but that is from afar. No, it's blending out lovely. So it's blended out perfectly across that base, which I'm quite happy with. So I've got a concealer. Use my MUA Pro base. I should have got my Conceal and Define, but to be fair, I wanted to do this as if I was doing like a normal base, and this is what I normally would do. So I'm just going to blend this all off camera because you don't really need to see this. And then I'm going to put my powder on, and I'm going to use my trusty Rimmel Stay Matte powder and L'Oreal True Match powder. Then I'm going to use MUA bronzer, and then after that I actually have a blush and highlight. So once I've done all this base, I'll come back for some strawberry blush and highlight. So for blush, I have this soft shimmer blusher. So we know it's got like a matte shade on the wrap around the edges, so it's like this proper bright pink, and then on the inside it is a shimmer. Again, bright pink. I'm gonna have to go in with a really light hand because this brightness against my complexion at the moment, I don't think it's gonna look too great. So yeah, let's see how this turns out. Oh wow, that is pigmented as hell. Look at that, look how pink my hand is. I think that is enough blusher. So to be fair, once you dull it down a bit, it doesn't look too bad. Like, I would use that again. It's giving me a healthy glow. I'm not mad at it, it's not too bad. But for the start of our show, I'm going to be using this tasty strawberry highlighter. Now, you know I love the peach one a lot. Look at that, proper strawberry. That is even more blinding. So this is probably going to be more of a pink highlight. So I'm going to... Okay, that is gold. That is full on gold. And there's the pink. So I think I'm going to try and take a bit more of the gold than the pink. I actually feel like I can smell strawberries everywhere. This has got like a baby powder strawberry smell to it. Okay, wow. That is very, very pigmented. Do you know, that would make a really lovely eyeshadow, that pink shade. So I'm going to use this I Heart Revolution lip liner, and I'm going to take like the third darkest. Revolution needs to come out with this again because it is one of my favourite lip liners, absolute favourite. I'm going to take the shade Bouquet in the creme formula from Revolution and just put that, I want that on the outside. It's just like a lovely berry colour, and I wanted like a berry colour to go with this look. Then I've got the shade Chauffeur again in this creme formula, and I'm going to put that in the centre. And that just gives it a nice little lightening. And then we're not going to stop there. I've got 2 of these Pout Bombs by Revolution, and you know I love the red one. So I think I'm going to take the shade darker one in Kiss and put that in the centre. No, it actually dries down a bit, even though they're creme. They do dry a bit, which is nice. Then this is what I was using for my to spray my brush. This is the Strawberries and Cream Makeup Fixing Spray, and I can already tell you it really does smell like strawberries. So I'm going to use this, finish up my makeup and come back for the final look. It smells so nice. It's really refreshing as well, like it really cools your face. I just need to do my eyebrows and my eyelashes. I'm going to keep this really fresh and I'm not going to put a colour underneath. Do you know what? I can't help myself. I am going to put some highlighter on my body because why not? This is a lovely highlighter. And we have this finished look, guys. I am really impressed with the whole strawberry range. My lips, I love this colour. The eyes, I know it's a strawberry sprinkle eyeshadow donut, but it doesn't really scream strawberry to me, some of these colours. But I do like the eye look with it. I just wish there was a shade more like this one from the highlight. That would have gone really well over this. My favourite has got to be the highlight. I think I have 2 favourites. The setting spray and the highlighter. I think they're both up there with one of my top products from this range. Now I was trying to find a lipstick or a liquid lipstick or something with a strawberry name, but I couldn't. So that is why I chose this lip combo. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.